we have this following questions. Evaluate the following. Let's see what we can do to these following questions. The first one, this one can be written as 3x squared. Okay, you can write this one as 3x squared. Okay, want to make it multiple. So let's u be equal to what? 3x. So du is equal to what? 3 dx. So that will be equal to du over 3 is equal to what? Is equal to dx. So our question will now become integral of dx is what? Du over 3. We can place it here. Du over 3. So we have that. So we can take the 1 over 3 outside, and that will be equal to integral of du over 1 over what? 1 minus u squared. So that's what we have. And this is a table. This is a table, and that will be equal to 1 over 3 integral of this one, arc sine of the function arc sine u. Okay, that's arc sine u is a direct table, and that will be equal to, return your u back, okay, plus what? Plus c. So, and that's end that question. It's going to be use of direct table. We can take the 2 out. So we have dx all over x and square root. I'll make this one 2x squared minus 1. So it's a direct table. 2x1 minus 1. That's what we have. Then we can say note integral of this x squared minus 1 is equal to sec, arc sec. What we have here, the function, okay, arc sec x. Okay, so we can apply that to this one. So it's going to be 2 arc sec, the function you have here, okay, which is what? 2x plus c. So that's that. It must be multiple. Whatever function you have must be multiple square. This one is what? X square. So just the use of the table, of the integral table. So that's that on this case. Okay. Then the third one, let's this one, let u be equal to this one plus 3. Then du is equal to 4x plus 3. Okay, 4x plus 3. So go back to your question. Want to make this one to be 4x plus 3. 2 is common here, so 2 into bracket 4x plus 3 all over 2x squared plus 3x all over this 2x squared plus 3x. Can we take these two outside? So if you do, you have this, and don't forget your dx here. 2 4x plus 3, and put our dx here all over what? 2x squared plus 3x. So we now have now, so it's going to be equal to integral of 2 times integral of this one. When you differentiate this one, du, and then dx. Don't forget that. Du over this one is what? Is u. Integral of this, that will be 2 ln u plus c plus c. So return your u back. So that's 2 ln. Your u is what? Put your u back. So we have this plus c. So that's that on this question. So at this point, if you are new on this channel, there's a watermark on the video. Kindly click on the watermarks and do subscribe. Don't stop. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. That is very important to this channel. That is one of the ways to support this channel. Okay. Finally, type your comment and share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.